Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get 3 $5 baby shower gifts for $5. There are some extras in this, which I'll explain to you here in a minute. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So this basket and the shreds are definitely optional. It would add an additional $2 to your gift, but remember, I'm just using this to display to you. You actually can wrap it however you want. So this is the Dinosaur blanket, and I'm leaving the packaging on it because it actually helps it to hold its form when I roll it up to put it in the basket. Another great thing is by shoving something larger in the back, you're pushing that paper shred fluff forward, so you actually don't need as much. The second thing I'm adding is the Dinosaur bib, which I thought was absolutely adorable. These Pampers sensitive wipes, because it always helps to add a brand name. It just makes it look like you've spent more money than you actually did. I'm also adding in the teething ring, which I opened. I just think it looks better. Most new parents or parents will sanitize items that they receive at their baby shower. And then the blue and lime green binkies. Now to take it another step further, which is an additional $2, making the complete basket that I've made here $9, I'm adding the cellophane wrap, which a lot of people use at Easter time. It was a little bit too tall, so I did cut it down a little bit at the opening, and then I'm just gonna tie a unisex baby shower ribbon to that. So total is $9. If you don't wanna wrap it the way that I wrapped it, you're looking at $5. So the next basket I'm making, I'm calling the Princess and the Frog basket. Again, using paper shreds, but this time in yellow with the same basket as before. This is the frog and princessy looking blanket. Again, leaving the packaging on that so that it's firmer in the basket. This is the Princess and the Frog pop-up book, which I thought was absolutely adorable. Even a new baby can admire the pictures that are in there if they are shown that. So they may not be able to read, and you may not want to read it to them, but I thought it was adorable that they would be able to see the visual as it pops up for them. This is the frog bath mitten and the frog washcloth, which are absolutely adorable, and I couldn't help but get these. And then the last item that I'm adding in there is the petroleum jelly. This is paraben-free, natural, which I think is great because those parents that have a different preference, these are safer items to use from the Dollar Tree, because you have to understand that not everything is good quality or have the healthiest ingredients. So again, wrapping that in cellophane and the ribbon, which is completely optional, and that completes this basket. Again, $5 to $9 depending on how you want to wrap it. All right, so jumping into our last basket, which is more on the feminine side. Again, I don't judge, do as you will. This is a Dollar Tree basket with the lavender paper shreds. I am adding in the gray and white blanket, again, leaving that wrapping on there. And then I'm putting in the Huggies baby wipes. These are the Naturally Clean, and they have the purple on the side, which I actually thought was adorable. I know paper shreds, a lot of people think that this is wasteful, but you can reuse these in a lot of ways. I do recycle them throughout my videos, so I never waste my paper shreds. So another option, if you want, you can do the outlet plugs, but if you prefer not to do those, these diaper bags are perfect for this basket, and it just makes it look more full, and I love how it brings out the purple color. Also that green and that gray, they just go great with that lavender. This is the purple polka dot bib, which I did take out of its packaging, and 2 pairs of llama socks, which are actually really well made, and I just thought these were adorable. Again, I'm wrapping that in the cellophane with the ribbon. You don't have to do that once again. So this basket is also $5 to $9 depending on how you wrap it. That completes this video. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do basket videos quite often, as they are one of my most popular. Please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know which basket was your favorite in the comments below, and will you be recreating any of these? I appreciate you all so much for being here. Thanks again. Bye.